How does the green card lottery work? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States out of our office here in St. Louis, Missouri. So a lot of people hear about the diversity visa lottery or the green card lottery, and that is the United States allows 50,000 green cards to be issued to foreign nationals from underrepresented countries. Now, what is an underrepresented country? Well, there's a list of all the countries in the world, and the United States government keeps track of how many of those people from each of those countries are in the United States. And if your country of origin, the country where you were born, is not in the top 20 of that list, so in other words, like Mexico and China, India, all those countries would be high up on the list. But countries like Burundi or South Africa or New Zealand or Siam or lots of different countries, Luxembourg, these countries would all be eligible for the diversity visa. And what happens is every October, the State Department at the site dvlottery.gov, that's the site that you go to. Don't go to any other site because there are a lot of scammers out there. There's people who will help you complete the diversity visa application, but you don't need any help. You don't need my help or anyone else's. It's just basic background information so that you can go into the lottery. And so that's open for about a month, usually from around October 5th to November 5th each year. You apply for the diversity visa, and then the following May, you find out if you've been selected. Now, it's about a 1 in 1,000 or 1 in 1,500 chance that you get selected, but even our little immigration office every year processes 2 or 3 diversity visa cases. And this can be for people who are overseas or people who are in the United States. So if you're here on an F1 visa and you're studying in the United States and you are from Spain, you could apply for the diversity visa and you would not need to get an H-1B. You would not, if you get picked and if you get approved, as long as you're in valid status, you could adjust based on your selection in the diversity visa. And so it's really a wonderful thing. Also, if you're overseas, you can apply for the diversity visa over there and get your immigrant visa at the embassy. Now, the thing is that when you find out in May, the process will start the following October 1st, and you are given a line number. And your line number might be 1, it might be 3,000, it might be 8,000. And the world is divided into regions, and the State Department, as part of the visa bulletin, will announce where they are in line each month starting in October. So if you have a very low number, you can apply right away, but if you have a high number, you might not be able to apply until the following year. You just have to get that green card or that visa issued by September, the last day of September every year. So it can be a little bit hairy, especially when your visa number becomes current, say in July. There's a lot of work to be done, but so far, knock on wood, we've been able to help our clients get those even with very high lottery numbers. So it's one thing to apply, it's another thing to get selected, and then it's the third thing to make sure your number is low enough that you can get your application processed in time. They do run out of the visas. So you want to make sure you do everything correctly. It's really your only shot. If you get selected in the lottery and you don't get your visa by the end of the fiscal year, then you lose out in it as if you've never won. That does not mean you get any special preference the next year. You would just have to reapply. So the diversity visa is a great thing. It's something that's under constant attack in Congress, and President Trump is doesn't like it, but it is something that you can still do and you should do if you are from an underrepresented country and you'd like to live in the United States. So we hope you found this video helpful. Give us a call at 314-961-8200. You can always email us at info@hackinglawpractice.com. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video out on social media. And then whenever you want to join our Facebook group, it's called Immigrant Home. We'd be happy to have you there. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.